Last evening, we reported about a man who had been beaten up by his friends turned enemies, allegedly for 13 hours. Officers from the DCI Kilimani have been pursuing the assailants, said to have tight links to illegal businesses in the city. Tonight, we can report that 4 of the suspects have been arrested in connection with the assaults, and their details have begun to fall in place. KTN's Brian Obuya gives us more details on this.
Yesterday, Kevin Mango Odwor had told KTN News that he was rounded up and beaten senseless between 4 p.m. last Wednesday and 5 a.m. Thursday. Kevin said that his attackers accused him of leaking unsaid secrets.
On first, I got a call from a friend called Robert. He told me to take him somewhere so that we can have a talk and hang out. And in the process, he told me we go and say hi to his friends and wanted to pick something. So when he entered the house, I waited for him outside. Then again, they came for me outside. They told me to get in and say hi. After that, that's when I got beaten.
Some of the suspects are said to be under close watch by security agencies for different criminal allegations. The suspects were arrested Friday night by detectives from different hideouts. In a tweet Saturday morning, police confirmed to having arrested 4 suspects who included Robert Momanyi, Collins Neriko Orina, Stanley Rimbere, Stephen Kimeu, also called Stephen Barisa.
One of them wanted to be a politician. One of them is a businessman. The others, I really don't know much about them.
To say sorry.
He can't say sorry. I don't know why.
Well, sorry, you could sit down.
Aside from the videos that have detailed the humiliating assault, information about the men who took part in the attack, an attack which Kevin Odwor describes as an attempted murder, has also started to fall into place. Robert Momanyi is not new to controversy. The man unsuccessfully vied for the Makadara parliamentary seat in the past election. It was the politician come suspect who lured his friend Kevin to a house allegedly owned by Stanley Rimbere on Estate 24 along Kiricho Road in Kilimani. The ex-aspirant lied to Kevin that there was a Labor Day party going on, only to find out it was a well-laid-out trap by the owner of the house and other mutual friends. It was inside the house in Kilimani where they beat him black and blue for those 13 hours. Recorded videos, and at one point it is said they stripped him naked. The suspects have been whining and dining in posh clubs of Kilimani, sipping different drinks and smoking different forms of smoke at will, at times referring to themselves as the Omo Nairobi. It is unclear how and why John Gishashi, a former finance officer in Kiambu County, arrived at the dreaded scene in Kilimani. But we now know that the man who battled a long divorce case between him and his first wife in 2002 was at the house on the night of impunity. Police are now pursuing 3 other suspects who participated in the ugly act that ripped off Kevin's dignity as they attempt to maintain law and order in an area under constant threat of being taken over by self-proclaimed mafia. The 3, Innocent Samba, Ben Muga, and Ajay Starks, are on the run.